Let's look at this problem on Leetcode called word pattern. Here, given a pattern and a string, find if string follows the same pattern. Following means there is a bijection between every letter in the pattern and a word in string. So the example given here is pattern is A, B, B, A, and string being dog, cat, cat, dog. So there is a clear bijection here. A always corresponds to dog, and dog always corresponds to A. If here it had been C, then this bijection doesn't exist. Or if here cat is not corresponding to, say, and it corresponds to something, say, a bat, then B actually points to two words, so there is no bijection. So how can we verify this bijection thing? We actually need two hash tables here. First, we need a word to letter mapping, which will store something like dog is mapped to A, and another hash which will store letter to word mapping, which will say A points to dog, right? And similarly, this represents our current knowledge. And whenever there is a new letter and a new word, we will try to insert these things into the corresponding dictionary and also check if the same letter repeats, whether the bijections hold or not. So if the ith letter and the ith word exist in both the dictionaries respectively, then we need to check is word to letter of words I is same as letter of I or not, and letter to word of letter I is same as words of I. Here words of I means ith word and letter of I means ith letter. So let's look at how we code this solution. Right, let's define the two dictionaries, word to letter and letter to word, and let us split out the words from the string. So words equals to string dot split on spaces. We can also check if length of pattern is not equals to length of the number of words, then we can easily return false here because the string does not follow the pattern, right? Now we'll enumerate on each of the letter in the pattern and check if the word follows that pattern or not. So for letter in pattern, and we also need the corresponding word. So here I want to enumerate on pattern and get the index of this letter in the pattern and then extract out the same ith word from words array, right? Now we implement a condition if word n word to letter and letter n letter to word. Now both word and letter exist in the current mapping, so we should check if word to letter of word is not equals to letter, then we should return false. Now if letter to word of letter is not equals to word, then also return false, right? Now if both of them doesn't exist in the mapping, if word not in and letter not in letter to word, then we need to update our current knowledge. So word to letter of word becomes letter and letter to word letter is equals to word. And then the other two conditions where word is in word to letter and letter is in letter to word and vice versa, both of these conditions should be able to invalidate the our hypothesis. So else everything should return false, right? And here we can easily return true if there is no invalidation of our current hypothesis, right? So let's run a code here. Let's now submit the code. So it's accepted, success, runtime 20 milliseconds. Like this video, comment on this, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.